If you are frustrated with complicated tools to convert your pictures into PDFs, then this video is the video for you. What if I told you there's a free tool that you can use to do this in just seconds? No app downloads needed, no force. Just stick around while I show you how to do this in just seconds. Alright, first thing, you head over to your browser and type combine pdf.com. This website is a lifesaver for quick and easy PDF conversion, and it works perfectly on both laptops and smartphone. So on this website, combine PDF, you can see you can convert PDF to document, you can convert document to PDF, you can convert PDF to JPG, you can convert JPG image to PDF, you can also convert PDF to image also, and you can compress PDF. I can also combine PDFs in case you have several PDFs that you want to combine together. You just upload them here and arrange them in the order that you want. And one thing about this tool is that you can select up to 20 PDF files and images from your computer. You understand? So let's head over to the tutorial. So you see where you see JPEG to PDF. So you click on if your image extension is JPG or your image extension is PNG, whichever one. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be choosing this JPG to PDF. So once you click JPG to PDF, now you go to upload files. Once you click upload files, you see different files. So you want to convert pictures to PDF, so you can select any of the pictures. So let's select this picture, this and this. So let's select these three pictures. You click open. Now you just go to where your pictures are in your gallery and click. So once you select it, you allow it to load. Alright, you can see that the website has finished combining these two images together to make it a PDF. So you just click on this combined. You click on this where they wrote combine. Once you click it, you see that the whole file has been converted to PDF. Now to make this thing seamless, what you do once when you're uploading the pictures, and maybe the pictures is a document or something, please try to upload it in the order you want it to appear on the PDF. So this is how I made mine. So you can see our file has finished downloading. So once you click it now, you can see it has converted the image to PDF. Understand? Remember to arrange your image in the order you want it to appear on the PDF. Make sure you do that so that I can give you the perfect results. If you love this tutorial, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and share it with your friends, because who doesn't love saving time? Drop a comment if you have questions. See you in the next video.